We are looking at how to pronounce these two words that may look a little similar, they may sound rather similar, very similar in fact, but their pronunciations are a little bit different, and it is important to make yourself understood, to understand and be able to pronounce this difference correctly. So the top word here is access. You want to open your mouth quite a lot here. Produce these sound. Access, access, stress on the first syllable. I have access to this computer. Access. Now the bottom word here is excess. So it's not an sound, but an sound. Excess. Every other sound is the same, but the first one. Access is your first word. Excess is your bottom word. When there is too much of something, there is an excess of something. And now you know. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting vocabulary that many get wrong. Let me know in the comments if this video was useful. Like and subscribe if it was. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching.